How to change lock screen wallpaper on iPhone 14. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll guide you on how you can change the lock screen wallpaper on iPhone 14, so make sure to watch the video till the end. To change the lock screen wallpaper, let me show you my current wallpaper over here as you would be able to find it. So this is basically my current wallpaper. If I would like to change this wallpaper, it's very simple. If you're on the home tab already, you can swipe from the top left over here, right, as you would be able to find it. Once you swipe from the top left of the screen, here you should be able to long press on it. Once you long press on it, you'll be able to see your collections. So right here you can see my default, and there are also some of the other saved ones that I've added. If I'd like to make a customization, I can tap the plus button here, and now I can simply choose a wallpaper. Now you also have some of the featured wallpapers, or you can choose some of the suggested photos that iOS is going to give you by default. You don't have to do anything for this. You can choose weathers and everything, or if you'd like to add a custom one from your Photos app, you can do so by tapping the Photos option and then simply selecting any of the photos that you'd like. Otherwise, you can simply select a specific random photo here, tap the add option. Once you tap on add option, you can simply set it as wallpaper pair, and your lock screen wallpaper will also get successfully changed. This way you'll be able to go ahead and then basically actually change the lock screen wallpaper on iPhone 14, but it also works on other models. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.